Welcome everyone. Today's tutorial is quick and easy. I'm going to show you how to build a casket using Lego pieces. Let's get started. Let's take this 2x6 plate, and we have two 1x2 modified bricks with a sidebar handle. We want to place those right in the middle. Now let's take two of the 2x2 plates, and we're going to stack those right on top of one another. And then we're going to take the remaining 2x2 plates and we're going to do the same. While we still have that in hand, let's place that right on the end of the 2x6 plate, and we'll want to repeat that for the other side. Next, take one of the 2x2 curved slopes and connect a 1x2 plate underneath on the bottom. Take that and place it on one end of our build so far, and repeat that step for the other side. Finally, take the 2x2 tile and place it right in the middle of the top of the casket, and we are finished. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be alerted of any future tutorials. Take care, and I'll see you next time.